In this festive season, let's make soft Puran Poli, Boli or Holige, different names, but it tastes super delicious. I will show you an easy way to make. Even if you're making for the first time, you will get it right. Let's start. I have soaked 1 cup of toordal, that is pigeon peas, for half an hour. For 1 cup of toordal, you have to take 6 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil. Till it cooks, let's make a dough. Take 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt, and add water. Be careful while adding water. This is the texture you have to get. When you get this sticky dough texture, add 1 tablespoon of oil and again mix it well. At the end, add half tablespoon of oil. Close the lid and keep it for 1 hour. You can use the muslin cloth to cover it. The dal is boiling. I kept the flame in medium to high. Dal should be cooked well but not mushy. When you press, the edge will be soft, but in the center it will be little hard. Strain it and let it cool down. Till then, we'll make a jaggery syrup. Here I have taken 225 gram of jaggery. I have added 2 tablespoons of water. Melt the jaggery in a medium-low flame. Jaggery I have used is clean, so I'm not straining it. Add the cooked dal and 3/4 cup of fresh grated coconut. Mix well. Now add 3 cardamom pods powdered. Add half teaspoon of ginger powder. This will enhance the flavor. Cook it in a medium flame and let all the flavors combine. An important thing is that you have to dry the water completely. Now you have to grind this mixture without adding any water. And this is the consistency you will get. Dough is resting for an hour. Now just knead it for a minute. Approximately I have taken 2 tablespoons of filling to make a ball. Take a small lime-sized dough and make a ball. You can see the filling is bigger than the dough. The dough size should be half or less than half of filling. To roll, I have taken butter paper, or you can use banana leaf or any good plastic sheet. But always apply oil on the sheet, on your hand and on the rolling pin. Please follow the step as I've shown. Keep the butter paper on the top and roll it as thin as possible. Using this butter paper will make this process and our life very easy. tawa should be hot when you add. Keep the flame in medium high. This is very important step to follow. Now check the bottom whether it's turned into brown color or golden brown color. Then flip it. Now again check the bottom has turned into brown color, then flip it. Only twice you have to flip it, don't flip it more than that. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like.